Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best orchid potting mix is probably one of the most crucial elements for ensuring your beloved orchids thrive after repotting, providing them with the ideal environment to establish new roots and flourish with vibrant blooms. Choosing the right potting mix is paramount, as it directly impacts aeration, drainage, and moisture retention, all of which are critical for the health and longevity of these delicate plants. This specialized blend is designed to mimic the natural epiphytic conditions orchids prefer, preventing waterlogging and root rot while supplying essential nutrients for sustained growth. Investing in a high-quality orchid potting mix is a direct investment in the beauty and vitality of your orchid collection, setting the stage for spectacular displays season after season. Number 5. Better-Gro Special Orchid Mix, Premium Grade Bark Potting Mix. Introducing our specially developed orchid mix, perfect for a wide range of orchids. It's ideal for growing cattleyas, Phalaenopsis, dendrobiums, and more. This dynamic blend promotes healthy root growth with its unique combination of fir bark, hardwood charcoal, and sponge rock. It creates the ideal environment for robust root development. Ensure your orchids thrive with excellent drainage and airflow, just like in their natural habitat. The sponge rock and coarse perlite help retain water while allowing proper ventilation. Repotting your orchids every 12 to 18 months is simple with this mix. It comes in a convenient resealable bag, perfect for maintaining sustained health and growth. Developed by professional orchid growers, this mix supports both root and bloom stages. The hardwood charcoal even filters impurities for a clean growing environment. What we like? This mix is expertly formulated for a wide range of epiphytic orchids. If you are looking for a blend that supports healthy root development and mimics natural habitats with superior drainage and airflow, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for growers who want to ensure their orchids thrive with optimal conditions for both roots and blooms. What people say? This orchid potting mix is specifically designed for repotting orchids. It provides excellent drainage and aeration, which are crucial for orchid root health. The mix contains a blend of bark, charcoal, and perlite, offering a good balance of moisture retention and airflow. Number 4. Perfect Plants All-Natural Orchid Potting Mix 4QTS. Introducing our all-natural orchid potting mix, carefully hand-mixed in small batches. It's the perfect choice for Phalaenopsis orchids of all kinds. This versatile mix is designed for your orchid's needs. It's made with a blend of charcoal, sponge rock, pine bark, and coconut chips for optimal growth. Give your orchids' roots the space they need to thrive. This textured mix encourages them to climb and expand, reaching their full potential. Say goodbye to compacted soil. Our mix ensures excellent aeration, preventing your orchids' roots from suffocating and promoting healthy growth. Orchids prefer not to be overwatered. This potting mix provides the proper drainage they need, protecting them from root rot and ensuring they stay healthy. Our potting mix comes in a durable, resealable bag. This makes it perfect for convenient storage or for future use, keeping the mix fresh. What we like? This all-natural, hand-mixed blend is perfect for orchid enthusiasts who want their plants to thrive. If your orchids have roots that love to climb and expand, this textured mix provides the ideal environment. It ensures great aeration and drainage, preventing root suffocation and rot, making it a top pick for healthy Phalaenopsis. What people say? The orchid potting mix is specifically designed for repotting. It provides good aeration and drainage, which are crucial for orchid roots. The mix contains bark, charcoal, and perlite, offering a balanced composition for healthy orchid growth. Number 3. DUSPRO Orchid Potting Mix. Introducing our upgraded orchid potting mix, specially formulated for repotting your beloved orchids. It's a professional blend designed for optimal root health. Our improved 4-ingredient formula replaces cocoa peat with pumice for better aeration and a more stable structure. We've also switched to chunky perlite for superior drainage and reduced compaction. This mix comes pre-blended and ready to use, saving you time and effort. Simply open the bag and repot your orchids. It's available in multiple sizes to suit your needs. Experience better drainage and more root airflow with our carefully selected ingredients. This blend creates ideal conditions for healthy root development, especially in ventilated pots. Achieve the perfect balance of moisture and airflow for your orchid roots. Our mix prevents dense, waterlogged conditions, ensuring your plants thrive. This potting mix is suitable for a wide variety of orchid species. It provides the airy, bark-based medium that many orchids need to flourish. We are committed to quality. Each batch is rigorously checked to ensure a consistent texture and dependable performance for all your orchid repotting needs. What we like. This upgraded potting mix offers a professional blend designed for superior orchid care. If you're seeking a mix that provides exceptional drainage and root airflow while maintaining balanced moisture, this is the one. Its carefully adjusted ratios and chunky perlite make it ideal for use in clear or ventilated pots, ensuring your orchids get the best environment. What people say. This orchid potting mix is excellent for repotting. The mix provides great aeration for orchid roots. It holds moisture well without becoming waterlogged. Number 2. Super Moss 90510 Orchid Potting Kit. Introducing the Super Moss Orchid Potting Kit, your all-in-one solution for happy, healthy orchids. It's also a fantastic gift for any orchid enthusiast. This kit arrives beautifully presented in an 8-ounce display box, making it ready for gifting or immediate use. Inside, you'll find everything necessary to pot up your orchids. It includes premium orchid bark, sheet moss, bendable stakes, and raffia. This 8-ounce kit is designed to perfectly accommodate and dress up to 4 orchids, providing them with the ideal environment to thrive. It offers enough material to pot approximately 200 cubic inches of orchids, ensuring ample space for root growth. With this kit, you have all the essentials for successful orchid potting. Give your plants the best with this comprehensive set. What we like. This is a fantastic all-in-one solution for orchid lovers, especially if you're looking for a convenient gift or a simple potting experience. If you need a complete kit that includes not just the potting medium but also essential accessories like stakes and raffia, this product is perfect. It's designed to dress up to 4 orchids, making repotting straightforward and elegant. What people say. Great aeration and drainage for orchids. Perfect for repotting, keeps roots healthy. Good quality mix, orchids love it. Number 1. rePotme Phalaenopsis Orchid Potting Mix, Mini Bag. Introducing our premier orchid potting mix, perfect for any orchid pot. It comes in a high-quality resealable pouch, keeping it fresh for future use. This mix offers excellent drainage, safeguarding your orchid's roots from rot. It ensures a healthy and thriving root system. Made fresh daily in the USA, each small batch is handcrafted using the finest globally sourced ingredients. It's universally compatible with any orchid fertilizer or pot. Enjoy versatile use with your existing orchid care products. Our premium mixes are trusted by leading conservatories and botanic gardens worldwide. Experience professional-grade quality for your orchids. It features a premium blend of medium Monterey pine bark, hydroton, large sponge rock, and AAA New Zealand sphagnum moss. This formula is specially designed for Phalaenopsis and related orchid varieties. It provides the ideal environment for them to flourish. What we like. This premium orchid potting mix is hand-blended in the USA, ensuring top quality for your plants. If you prioritize excellent drainage to protect your orchid roots from rot and seek a mix trusted by professionals and botanic gardens, this is an outstanding option. It's specially formulated for Phalaenopsis and compatible with any orchid pot or fertilizer. What people say. Great aeration and drainage. Perfect for repotting orchids. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.